So from the definition, we have seen the difference between prime and composite numbers. Now let's visualize, let's see the geometric perspective of prime and composite numbers. Prime and composite numbers. So prime numbers cannot make a complete rectangle. However, composite numbers does. Okay, composite number make complete rectangles. So let's start from prime numbers. Let's start from 2. Okay, 2 cannot. Let's use dot. 2 cannot make complete rectangle because we have 1, 2 here. 2 dots cannot make complete rectangles. The same is true for 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, just a straight line. Maybe you can put on the top. You can put on the top. Still you can't make a complete rectangles. Okay, let's see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's good. Now you have rectangle. Okay, now you have rectangle. But if you extend one more, because that's 4, you have 5. So as you can see, it doesn't complete the rectangle. Okay, 7, the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it doesn't complete the rectangle. As you can see, maybe you can close this one, but you can't close this one. So it doesn't make a complete rectangle. Okay, so let's see here composite numbers. Let's start from 4. Okay, let's start from 4. So you have here 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can have a complete rectangle if you keep the distance the same. Of course, it's going to be square. Okay, let's see 6. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can have here a complete rectangle. Okay, if you let's add one more. Let's take 8. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you connect the points, it's kind of make a complete rectangle. So you can visualize even prime number and composite number in geometrical perspective. The best thing about prime numbers are central in number theory because of the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. You can see the video on arithmetic, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, because every number is composite of prime numbers. Okay, every number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. If you can prime numbers is the building blocks of any other number. All numbers are made from prime numbers. Whatever number you take, that's the product of prime numbers. That's amazing picture of prime number. That's the basic. Prime numbers are basic. Okay, these are the fundamental. Okay, because of prime numbers or using prime numbers, we can make any other numbers. Okay, using prime numbers. It's just the center. Okay, of course we also have 2n primes. For example, 2n primes are primes if the difference successive primes if the difference is 2. For example, you can say here you can say 3 and 5 are twins. Okay, twins prime. Okay, so they are prime numbers and their difference is 2. Maybe you can take 5 and 7, even 3 and this is 5 and 7, because the difference is 2 and they are successive prime numbers. So we still have called twins prime. Let's see more on geometrical aspect of prime numbers. Okay, let's visualize again prime numbers as a multiple of two prime numbers. okay, two natural numbers with no leftover, or with no for example another number addition, or with no any further numbers. And then let's see some example. Prime numbers cannot make a complete rectangle if we express as a product of two natural number which is greater than 1. Okay, let's see. Look at this one. This is 7. Let's take one example. You have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 as a prime. Okay, let's see. But we can express we can't express prime numbers as a product of exactly two numbers. Exactly two numbers. Look at this one, for example. So you may have this as one of the number. Sorry. Okay, let's see this. Okay, look at this one. Now you have 2. Okay, so how many 2 do you have in 7? How many 2 do you have in 7? Let's see. 2, 4, and 6. So you have 2 group of 3. But still there is one left over there. As you can see here, there is one left over. We can't have we can't express as a product of exactly two numbers. Let's see, but we can also have 3 group of 2, of course. 3 group of 2, as you can see. Still we have one more. And we can also express in different ways. For example, look at this one. This is 4, yes? But we don't have any more. Okay, the first thing, 1 is not prime number. I mean, one is not, there is an exception with 1. Okay, we can't include 1 here. But if we do that, still we have 4. 4 times 1 is 4, but still you have 3 more. Okay, so let's have here. Okay, this is 5, right? 5. We have 1 5s, and then you have 2 more here. But it's not getting completed. It's not getting completed. We still have 2 left. Okay, so let's see this one. This is 6, still 6, 1 group of 6, and then you still have 1 left. Okay, it can't complete the rectangle. Let's see with the whole number. Look at this one. We have 6 here. Okay, we have 6 here. Let's see. So we have 2, 4, 6. It's totally completed. We have 2 group of 6. So we can express whole number as exactly product of two numbers.